The time now was 11 o'clock on the Thursday night, March 13th, 2014. Time now, follow. One of JJPJ with the late night report. Thursday night, March 13th, 2014. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 11 o'clock in North Massachusetts got a temperature 20 degrees with broken clouds, humidity 46%, wind speed 13 miles per hour, winds northwest about 13 miles per hour, dew point about 2 degrees and visibility 10 miles. Take a look at our radar scope. Shows a couple of blobs of snow flurries around the Sagamore Bridge area and around Sandwich, Massachusetts here.
Breaking details tonight, Phil.
Couple of patches of snow showers around Sandwich. Couple of blobs of snow showers off the Cape Cod Islands, off the Massachusetts Bay.
Video taken by passengers
and a lot of snow showers in eastern portions of New Brunswick and for central portions of Nova Scotia. Snow showers in eastern portions of Nova Scotia. Patches of rain showers in the central and eastern portions of Prince Edward Island. Sleet pelts in the north central portions of Prince Edward Island. Patches of snow showers in eastern portions of Quebec. Here, blobs of snow showers in north central and western portions of New York State. Couple of patches of snow showers in the northeastern portions of Ontario. Patches of snow showers in several portions of Ontario. Stretching it out to eastern portions of Ohio. And about line of snow showers from Ontario and down to the Lake Superior, stretching it down to southern Manitoba down for central Saskatchewan and northeastern portions of Alberta, and rain showers in southwestern portions of Ontario here. And a couple of blobs of rain showers in south central portions of Oklahoma. A couple of patches of snow and sleet and rain showers in the southern portions of Colorado down from New Mexico down for Arizona down to the southern portions of Nevada. Patches of rain showers near Los Angeles in California. And a big blob of rain showers around west central Oregon, and a big swamp of rain showers in western Washington coastline and the southwestern British Columbia. A couple of extra snow showers in central portions of British Columbia. Tri-Cities, Washington. Good evening. 55 degrees with clear skies here. Okay, let's take a look at a satellite loop. It shows.
Imagine there's some fear with those passengers.
A couple of patches of clouds down the Atlantic seaboard, touching the north, west coast of eastern New Brunswick, and down for Newfoundland, and up in the Atlantic coast of Maine here, and Atlantic coast in Canada. And then a batch of clouds from southeastern portions in California and southern Nevada, stretching down the Four Corner region and stretching down for the Central Plains, down for the Dakotas, up to Minnesota, down for Ontario and northern Michigan, and stretching down for Manitoba, down for Saskatchewan, down for Alberta, and down in the northern portion of North Dakota. Another batch of clouds down western portions of Montana, down for Alberta, down for several British Columbia, stretching down Washington, Oregon, coastline, and northwestern portions of California. Here.
We could be close to record lows throughout the.
Alright, let's take a look at our map situation here. High pressure centered in eastern Alabama, low pressure down in southern portions of Arizona, southern portions of Manitoba, and cold front from southwestern portions of
We still have wind out there, gusting to about 25 miles.
Alberta, stretching down to Montana, down for Wyoming, and down for Nebraska, down for South Dakota, down for Minnesota. Pink front down for Ontario, and warm front from northeastern portions of Minnesota, down for Wisconsin, and down for western portions of Illinois.
When you're heading out tomorrow morning.
And a front of drying from
The record of 12 will
Central California, a front of drying from southeastern California, and down for northern Mexico. Here, front of drying from eastern New England, stretching out off the Nova Scotia coastline and out to sea. Here. Cold front from some portions of Cuba
we get Minneapolis temperatures
and out to sea.
I'll give you an idea of when that could happen.
And
I think it's
front of drying from eastern Colorado and down to the northern portions of New Mexico.
One step closer to getting in the
Station front from Ontario and cold front from Saskatchewan. Here.
in New Hampshire.
Warm front off the British Columbia, Washington coastline. Here. Low pressure down for northern Mexico and low pressure in southern Manitoba. We got 20 degrees out temperature now in Boston, 33 out in Washington D.C., 48 out in Atlanta, 65 in Miami, 63 in Brownsville, 61 in Dallas, Texas, 53 out in Kansas City, 33 in Chicago, 40 in Minneapolis, 44 in Great Falls, Montana, 56 out in Seattle, 64 in San Francisco, 63 in Los Angeles, 56 in Salt Lake City, 55 in Denver, and 60 out in Albuquerque. Here.
Campaign and may soon announce an exploratory committee.
There's no question that there's a lot of excitement around the.
Okay, regional temperatures here. It's 20 in Boston, 69 in Bedford, 17 in Fitchburg, 17 in Beverly, 19 in Beverly,
We'll take the stage Friday.
19 in Gloucester, 19 in Norwood, 21 in Taunton, 20 in New Bedford, 19 in Falmouth, 21 out in Chatham, 19 in Pottstown, 21 in Martha's Vineyard, 22 in Nantucket, 19 in Block Island, 18 in Westlake, 18 in TF Green, 18 out in Smithfield, 18 out in Milford, 14 in Worcester, 15 in Sturbridge, 16 out of Webster, 17 at Fitchburg, 15 at Garter, 17 at Greenfield, 15 at Davos, 16 at Springfield, 10 in Pittsfield, 12 in North Adams, 15 in Albany, 11 in Bennington, 14 in Keene, New Hampshire, 14 in Concord and Manchester, New Hampshire, 17 in Nashua, 18 in Portsmouth, 16 in Windsor Locks, 18 in Hartford and in New Britain and in Danbury, 16 in Waterbury, 22 in New London, 19 in New Haven, 21 at Bridgeport, 21 out at Islip, 22 in Montauk, and 24 in New York City. Yeah? Okay, let's take a look at our HPC forecast discussion for New England, for the region, for the nation. High heavy rain for parts of the west should the St. Cascades, and light snow for the Great Lakes and the Northeast on Friday and Saturday. Our front will move in the Pacific Northwest on Friday morning and dissipate inland over the Central Rockies by Saturday. The system will produce moderate heavy rain over the northwest coast on Friday morning. The association plume of Pacific moisture wanes by Friday evening as the rain becomes light before ending briefly as the energy moves inland. Light snow and lower elevation rain will develop over the parts of the Northern Plains and Northern Rockies on Friday evening, with the snow moving into parts of the Northern Plains, Middle and Missouri Valley, and the Central Rockies by Saturday morning. Also on Saturday, another front will approach the northwest coast as rain starts again along the coast. Meanwhile, a front over the upper Midwest will move eastward to the northeast and southward to the Southern Plains by Saturday. The storm will be dry at first over the upper Midwest, but it will get an influx of moisture by the Friday evening, producing light snow over parts of the upper Great Lakes and upper Mississippi Valley by Friday. The snow will move into the part of the northeast by Friday evening and the Saturday morning. Rain will develop over the parts of the Ohio Valley, lower Great Lakes by Friday evening, moving up to the parts of the New England by Saturday morning. In addition, Secretary Sturgeon cold air will move into the upper Midwest as a cold front settles southward out of the central Canada, moving into the Great Lakes northern plains by Saturday. Moisture from the western Gulf of Mexico will flow northward over the Southern Plains and the central Gulf Coast as energy over the southwest moves eastward to the western Texas by Saturday. The energy will rig out light rain and snow over the parts of the southwest Southern Rockies from Thursday evening to Friday evening as the moisture and the energy move east out of the mountains. Showers and thunderstorms will develop over the parts of the Southern Plains, but North Mississippi Valley by Saturday morning as rain develops over the parts of the central Gulf Coast and the parts of the eastern Gulf Coast by Saturday morning. There. Okay, forecast discussion for New England there.
Jesse Cooper.
They had hoods on over their heads.
Bitter cold temperatures will prevail tonight. Then a moderate trend falls for Friday and Saturday. A cold front moves for Saturday night. Much cold conditions return for Sunday and Monday as Arctic high pressure builds into the north and coastal storm to the south will have to be watched closely for more possible impacts to southern New England Sunday night and Monday. More precipitation possible Wednesday to Thursday.
Guns ready.
And near term for Friday. Still rather windy as late evening, especially along the coast. However, pressure gradient will continue to weaken as high pressure noises from the southeast. Wind should hit a couple of cross portions of the interior, but that will not completely happen on the coast. Skies will become mostly clear except for across the Cape of the Isles, where some ocean effect clouds will still affect the region. Should see a cloud smash. Some after midnight otherwise may see a batch of mid-level clouds approach the interior toward daybreak, but most of the coast clouds will dominate for most of the overnight hours. Low temperatures are tricky across the interior because they are some highly dependent on when the winds are coupled. Still think some areas in the southwest New Hampshire, northwest Massachusetts will bottom at between 0 and 5 below 0. The rest of the region should see lows in the single digits to the middle teens.
We have new cell phone.
Okay, we're going to take a look at
Building in Harlem collapsed after apparent gas explosion. The death toll from that blast now stands at 8 after another body was recovered tonight.
11 a.m. in the morning here.
Crews are still searching for
11 p.m.
are missing. More than 60 people.
Here's your temperatures at 6 a.m. when you wake up in the morning tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. You will wake up to 8 in Worcester, 15 out in Boston, 10 in Hartford, 2 above in Concord, 5 above in Portland, 0 in Rutland. Boy, those are some frigid temperatures here.
While under state supervision and is now presumed dead.
And 8 o'clock.
Is doing the audit, which does.
It was 7 in Worcester and 7 in Albany. So,
We're still looking.
those of you who
We've got
are going tomorrow morning,
we have.
you gotta leave extra time because it's gonna be a frigid morning attack. But in the afternoon, we're gonna moderate. We're about 32 for Worcester, 34 for Boston, and 36 for Hartford, and 41 for New York, and 27 for Portland, 20 in Concord. Here. So after a frigid start, we're going to warm up nicely here, but
Here after all.
still below normal, but we'll take it.
Now, congressional
And school bus forecast, 7 a.m. 13 degrees with sunny skies, and tomorrow morning and 2 p.m. 38 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Okay, let's take a look at a 7-day forecast. It goes like this.
responders will be invited
Friday night,
to participate.
This is
overnight hours of the night,
Police Commissioner.
while you're sleeping, it is going to be
And Dave.
mostly clear sky, low at 9 degrees, wind chill values as low as 1 below 0, west wind about 6 to 13 miles per hour, gusts as 23 miles per hour. Friday, increase the clouds with a high to 36 degrees, light variable wind speed cover, southwest about 9 to 14 miles per hour in the morning. Winds could gust as 28 miles per hour. Friday night, slight chance of showers after midnight, mostly clouds sky, low at 32 degrees, southwest wind about 9 to 13 miles per hour, gusts as 25 miles per hour, chance of precipitation is 20%.
Patrick's Day.
Saturday, slight chance of showers before 10 a.m. Cloud skies and gradually becoming mostly sunny skies at high near 52 degrees. West wind about 9 to 14 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 20%. Saturday night, Podcast skies low 27 degrees. Wednesday, west wind 60 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday, both sun skies high near 37 degrees. Sunday night, most skies low 18 degrees. Monday, both skies high near 29 degrees. Monday night, most skies low 19 degrees. Tuesday, both sun skies high near 36 degrees. Tuesday night, podcast skies low 22 degrees. Wednesday, part sun skies high near 42 degrees. Wednesday night, a chance of rain and snow showers. Both skies with a low around 30 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%.
Fired 4 years ago.
And for Thursday, chance of rain and snow showers. Part the sun skies high near 48 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 40%. 30%.
This week, 4
Peters, what a phrase of the night. Frigid Friday morning on tap, and then warming up nicely to 36 on Friday afternoon.
arbitrator.
This is PJ. What's up here for? Good night with a good positive out of. See you tomorrow morning. Good night.
The NBTA and now